how to change language of your Roblox account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact methods on how you can change the language of your Roblox account. So to do this, the first thing that you can need to do is open up your Roblox application, and after launching your Roblox, click onto this more option right here. Once you do this, you will see an interface like this, and from here choose settings, and within the settings you can click onto this first option, that is account info. Now once you click onto this account info, it will show you the account info that you have, and from here you can see, if you scroll down, this option that says language. So in order to change the language, click onto this drop down arrow, and from here choose any other language that you would like. So for example, let's say if I choose Hindi, you can see that while some experiences may use the selected language, it is not fully supported. Now it says unsupported language. So you can click onto this OK option, and now you can see that the Roblox is language. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.